What's up guys, this is Alex from Alshned Garage and we got brand new Ram 1500. It's almost in the perfect shape, a little bit scratches on the top, a little bit scratches on the bottom, but it's pretty in good shape. It has Rocky Ridge tuning studio, so it's everywhere, the emblem and all of this stuff here on the rims, perfect rims in a good condition, even have the calipers. So we have a lot of stuff going on. It's have a huge screen inside, nice interior with leather seats, also the perfect shape. We might a little bit painted there, here, everywhere. Almost brand new bed. We might just take it out this side and put the new one. We have missing tail light, but it's not a big deal. At least we have one here. So on the other side here we at least have doors which can open and we can go and see what is going on inside. It's a lot of stuff here. They have cool Rock Ridge emblems on the speedometer. You can see the emblems everywhere. So we think it's a nice build car if we will rebuild it. So Salon Care, if you get a chance and you see this video, please contact us. We get your vehicle. I hope you're good guys, because you have some pretty big damages, and if you have the second key, we'll take them for money for everything. We just want to start this vehicle as much as we can. So Vlad, let's see what we have inside of this bag. Maybe we have something we can cost us some money.
Oh, let's see.
I think it has all the rotors and everything on it with a caliper, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's not easy.
At least.
Go away. Go away.
Whoa.
Wow.
At least we have good rim. It's not done. It's not bended anywhere. Just the cover. It's look red, so it's kind of sporty. And some little damages here, but Vlad said he can fix this stuff, right, Vlad?
Yeah, why not?
What else do we have here?
Okay, what else?
Oh, we have some leaf springs. I don't think it's even from this car.
I find it.
Oh, we have the trim bezel from the back. Why it's not inside of the vehicle, nobody know, but at least we have it.
I think it's from Bedliner.
That's from the bedliner, right?
Oh, I find.
We have another tail light. It's almost brand new, but the sensor is missing, which is a shame, but we have what we have.
Bumper.
It's a lower. Wait a second, what bumper is that? We have the bumper, front and rear bumper. Is this the bumper from this car?
No.
So what's happened, guys, a lot of time Cooper and IaaI, they just throw in the random bats parts what they find out on the ground, because this is way more easy for them, not just put it in the car. We get some plates. Is it Illinois plate?
Yeah, I think we can do trade. Is this guy trade on key?
Yeah, we can trade the key for this plate, but I don't think this is plate from this car. It might be from the front, but who knows? Reinforcement. It's almost new reinforcement, just a little bit bent in here and there.
I think it's the liner.
The bed liner, it might be, no, it's damaged all over, but it was a good bed liner.
Oh, dry shaft.
Oh, we have the dry shaft. It almost brand new. We even can see inside of it. floor mats.
piece of step.
I think
Nothing interesting stuff. Let's check what's going on inside.
rest piece of the mirrors.
What is this, Alex?
So as long as I understand it, this is for DIY thing, but if you know, guys, leave in the comment below what this thing is, because we don't know. This smart start, who knows, some stuff, random stuff here and there, we not even know. But this truck has a really good 12-inch screen, which is really look awesome. Might have the glove box, which is not anymore fit on the car, just laying on the ground. As long as we see the door interior is the pretty much the manufacturer. It's not from the tuning studio. What is called, the name is Rocky Ridge. So we're trying to rebuild this if we can. If not, we'll be just stripping on the cars. You'll see it on the next video. See you guys later.
I wanna make that thing that